It was a great day to be at Independence Elementary School visiting first graders about the weather. What a wild day of weather it was to talk about. We had a great old time out there. And now we have another treat. We're going to introduce you to tonight's Shields Weather Kid. It's Shaylee Fletcher. Shaylee joins us. She's 12 years old. She's here from Fargo and goes to which school again?
Ben Franklin.
Ben Franklin School. What grade are you in?
Sixth grade.
Sixth grade. What is your favorite subject to study?
Math.
Okay, well, I like a lot about numbers, so we can talk numbers. And anybody you want to say hi to before we get rolling?
6'2", Ben Franklin, my team.
Okay, well, give them a big wave. And what do you think about all this weather? Is winter and flaky weather your favorite?
No.
Not necessarily. Okay, step over here. This is the radar and satellite. And Shaylee, I want you to point out where right now that snow is moving to.
Over by Winnipeg.
Good. So a lot of this is moving up to the north. So is it moving towards or away from Fargo?
Away.
Okay, and what's going on out to the west of Fargo right now as we look out towards Bismarck?
They're getting lots of rain.
Okay, good. And we have had reports of snow in Grand Forks over the last hour or so, but it looks like it's switching over there as well. Cloudy for everybody. And here's a closer view of where the rain is moving right now. So tell us which towns are getting rain and which towns are getting snow.
Over here by Theft, River Falls is getting snow.
Excellent.
Grand Forks and Findlay and Devil's Lake is sort of getting some rain, but we're getting lots of rain over here.
Very good. All right, all of this moisture is moving up to the north and west. So these places in northwest Minnesota will have the best chance at seeing prolonged rain and or snow. And this is what it looks like in Red Lake Falls. If you look really carefully on the grassy areas, that's quite a bit of snow. Do you like shoveling?
No.
Not your favorite. Okay, let's take a look then at what's going on right now. FM area, we saw rain. We had some graupel and some flakes of snow mixed in. Tell everybody the current conditions right now.
It's 38, but it feels like 29.
That's right, and that's because the wind is blowing at 15 miles per hour from the west-northwest. Grand Forks, look at that. What's that on the ground?
Snow.
A little bit of snow, but what are they reporting there falling out of the clouds now?
Rain.
A little rain. What's the temperature?
35.
Very good. West winds at 10 miles per hour. Look out to the west and tell me a couple of temperatures out there.
36 and 37.
Good. So Oaks is a little bit warmer. Let's sneak over and look into Minnesota, and I want you to point out the coldest spot that you see right now.
Crookston is at 32.
Okay, so it's freezing in Crookston. This is where the cold pool of areas, that's where the best chance of the stuff falling out of the clouds falling as snow will continue. Here's our forecast. There's the snow northwest Minnesota. Fargo getting rain, setting everything into motion by 10 tonight. What happens to all that snow and rain?
It disappears.
Really, most of it just goes away. And then we have a couple of spots with just spits of rain here and there, maybe mixed with a flurry. Still a little breezy and chilly, though, so wear a jacket, right?
Yeah.
Now, let's take a look at what happens by daybreak tomorrow morning. Does it look hot or cold?
It looks cold.
Sunny or cloudy?
Cloudy.
Okay, let's sneak over here and look off into the portions of eastern North Dakota. And do you see any rain or snow to worry about?
Nope, not for us.
Not significant snow in Fargo, maybe a sprinkle or flurry in northwest Minnesota. Going through the midday hours, where are we going to start to see a little taste of sunshine?
Over by Devil's Lake, they're getting some, and down from Lisbon.
Good. So at noon, the deer gun season opens up. It looks like we'll have west winds and cool temperatures, flurries in northwest Minnesota. By the afternoon, does it look like it's going to get hot tomorrow?
Not necessarily.
No, and a few areas will even see some spotty flurries. So let's take a look at your forecast. Which area of the region looks to be coldest tomorrow?
Over by Devil's Lake is going to be 35.
Excellent. All of these northern places along Highway 2, even into northwest Minnesota and Bemidji, cool 30s, only low 40s, so down to the south, so not much hotter. Tell everybody at your school there what they can expect at the bus stop first thing in the morning.
31.
Good.
With lots of clouds.
Good. And how about by midday at recess?
39.
You don't get recess, do you?
No.
No, not no more. All right. How about after school? That's when you get to go out and play.
44.
Good. And here is a look at the planning forecast. Look at that beautiful shot there with the snow and the leaves. Does Saturday look warmer or colder than our Friday?
Saturday looks warmer.
Very good. And then how about on Sunday? What do you see there? Oh, I don't see Sunday yet. You know what? Maybe we'll have to go take a look at my computer. I think it's froze up. So, Shaylee, follow me over here while I fix the computer. But I got to tell you, you did an outstanding job. And Do you guys get to study a little bit about the weather at school?
We're starting in science.
Science?
Nice.
I like science. Very good job. I'm impressed.
And what's your favorite kind of weather?
Summer.
You like the warmth.
Yes.
All right, it'll be here in like 8 months, right?
Yes.
Just a short wait. That's right.
Great job.
All right, we have a speakeasy spotlight couple to let you know about. It's Diana and Larry Spiedel of Wahpeton, North Dakota, celebrating 50 years of wedded bliss. Congratulations, you two.
Now forget the guessing games this holiday season. Here are the top toys that kids would like coming up next.